Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to spend your Platinum points on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you have the Nintendo Switch Online membership, you can get Platinum points for finishing missions, and then you can simply spend them on some rewards. And to do it, let's go to the Nintendo Switch Online app, select the account you want to use, then go to Missions and Rewards. Here you'll see your Platinum point balance. You can click on that. And you can see it, I have like 100, so that's not too much, but let's go back. And now here you'll see your missions that you can do and the amount of Platinum points you'll get for that. Now here you can simply find different sets of characters that you can unlock in games, backgrounds, different frames. I think those are like for icons that you can create. Then for some other games, some limited rewards, play to unlock, and then you'll see other rewards and you can get different ones, like for example some physical stuff. I mean the tote bags or some keychain stuff. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.